Hi, my name is Karen, and thank you for taking your time to looking at my poster with the title Effect and Mode of Action on Hyperglycaemia Mediated Oxidative Stress in Diabetic and Diabetic Complication Animal Models. This is also the title of my PhD project, and on this poster I will only be presenting the first part, in which the effect of liraglutide on oxidative stress in a diabetic rat model will be investigated. The objective of the study is that it is hypothesized that oxidative stress plays a role in the development of diabetic leg complications. And it's also well known that factors other than HbA1c, like fluctuating glucose, also known as postprandial hyperglycemia, plays a role in the development of these leg complications. A previous study prior to this PhD project showed that fluctuating plasma glucose gave a higher oxidative stress status in the cardiovascular system, whereas a constant infusion of glucose gave a higher oxidative stress status in the liver. And in this study, the liraglutide intervention is added on to show how liraglutide will affect this phenomenon. Liraglutide is a long-acting GLP-1 analog, which is known to stimulate insulin secretion, reduce appetite, and reduce body weight. The study is set up like shown in figure 1. Spectoli rats at the age of 8 weeks are put on high-fat diets for 20 weeks before they undergo surgery, in which catheters are placed in the carotid artery and the jugular vein. After 1 week of recovery, the animals are placed in the AccuSampler, which is a system for automatic blood sampling. And they also coupled up to infusion pumps, which will give the animals the plasma glucose profiles wanted. After this, the first part of the study is ended. This first part is to replicate the previously done study and to show that the highest oxidative stress status is in the constant high infusion group and the fluctuating glucose group, and that the compartmentalization of these groups, where the liver and the cardiovascular system are targeted differently, is also reshown. In the second part, there will be 2 infusion rounds. These will be separated by a period in which the animals are treated with liraglutide or not, and there will also be an energy-restricted group. This group is added on to make sure that a possible effect of liraglutide is not due to the body weight loss, but a direct effect on the oxidative stress status in the animals. After this, the animals are euthanized, tissue are collected, and blood are analyzed for glucose and insulin, whereas the tissues and some of the blood samples are analyzed for oxidative stress markers, markers of antioxidant activity, and markers of endothelial function. The aim is to investigate the effect of liraglutide on oxidative stress status, and the secondary aim is to further investigate the compartmentalization of oxidative stress in different plasma glucose profiles and how this is affected by liraglutide intervention. Thank you for listening.